Go ahead, Zach.
Well, Rick asked why not system platform.
Well, and I did. Oh, why not system platform as a platform for solving problems?
Potentially, yeah.
Here's why, Rick, to answer this question. So in order for you to be a platform for solving problems, okay, and we'll get into the leadership discussion here in a second. In order for you to be a platform for solving problems, there are some very important elements, okay? Number one, you have to have the mindset that if I have a 100% install base of whatever platform we're talking about, only about 10% of that install base is paid. 90% of it is research and development unlicensed. It's people using your platform to test ideas, but they're not minimum viable product yet. They're not on the plant floor yet, and therefore they're not paying for licensing. So you have to have a land and expand model, number one. If Veeva system platform does not have land and expand, you have to go and pitch an idea, and you're going to get that license for maybe 30 days or 60 days. So A, there's no land and expand. Number two, from a development perspective, at its base level, it has to be as easy as possible to work with. So that is, it has to be no code, low code, drag and drop. Okay. So you have to be able to put someone into a development environment, show them where data is, and they have to be able to drag data onto a window. Okay. That's number two. And number three, at the high end, there can't be any limit to what you can build. So you could basically build anything in it. And while a Veeva system platform definitely almost meets number three, definitely does not meet number two. It is not low code, drag and drop. Okay. In InTouch, you could make the argument that Wonderware InTouch was that way. Even though it wasn't drag and drop, it was easy enough to take a tag and get it onto a window. But system platform is not that way. It is all object driven, right? So you have to first build the object before you can ever visualize the object. Okay. And so that's one of the limitations of system platform. But the bigger piece is it is not a land and expand model. That's why. That's my piece. GeoSCADA, by the way, you will notice meets all of those requirements except for the land and expand piece. They don't have a mechanism to just get it in everyone's hands. But if you get it in your hands, there's no limit to how long you can play with it. So those are the qualifiers there.